Ikaw, anong favorite song mo, Trends?
My God. So, nasabi na nga ang body to body,
Yeah,
no?
exactly.
So, as a hip-hop girly, so hard. I think, say hooligan. We already mentioned Alien.
Yes.
But I also want to put out there 2.0.
Oh my God, girl! That's my
As
favorite.
in, 2.0
Oh my God, girl!
is
That's
poppin'.
my favorite!
Oo. As in, nakalagay sa...
Nagulat ako talaga.
Oo.
Para sa'yo din.
Nakalagay sa notes ko, nasty song. Shit.
Song!
As in, it's so nasty.
Oh
As in,
my
nasty
God,
like
I'm
a
so
best
shocked.
way possible. Alam mo yun? It's just... And I love that they went hard.
Yes.
Sobrang kaya ang saya. And my God, sorry, Namjoon talaga for me here.
Talaga?
Grabe.
Okay.
Sabi ko, kanino ko pa sinasabi yung pop, 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 pop. Yung parang feeling ko nabuntis na ako.
Oo, correct.
As in, grabe, this song is just so hot. And I like to emphasize lang. Kasi parang dito sa mga kanta nila ng mga hip-hop, parang ang dami nilang mention of fire. Alam mo yun, I really like na may ganun. And even in the latter songs, parang like, burning, may ganun. May pagnanasa, being close to the sun. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun?
How very
And then,
blood, sweat, tears.
How very blood, sweat,
Ako naman 17.
tears.
Be the sun.
So parang ganun. And like ito nga parang like coming out of the ashes yung feel pa. Parang
Mhm.
like brand new.
Yeah.
2.0.
Exactly.
Oo, we're here and we're fresh.
Yeah. And I love how that ended the whole hip-hop, like heavy
Correct.
hip-hop
Oo nga,
part
after
of
nun,
the
ano na.
album. Because after that comes in number
The
29.
bell.
Sobrang, oh my God, like the first time I listened to this song, as in, parang I was messaging group chat na parang this is my favorite song. Sobrang love ko. I don't know why. It's so, I don't know, parang trendy, I guess. It's so
Oo.
captured in the now. And sobrang gusto ko yung, ang ganda ng pagsisplit nila ng beat. Hindi ko naman naiintindihan yun kasi hindi naman ako musician. Pero dito kasi sobrang grabe yung pasok na pasok. And then like even during their studio notes, sinabi ni Jimin na he was against this song because it was so hard to sing because of the rhythm of the do-do-do. Parang nahirapan siyang i-ride yung rhythm na yun. It was so new. So parang, oh my God, parang okay, it adds a layer. Sobrang favorite ko din yung part na parang we don't stop. Tapos nun,
Right.
feeling mo, pag ginawa yun, magda-drop yung beat. Hindi.
Oo.
Dire-diretso
Tuloy-tuloy
siya. And then,
siya.
we ride.
Ah,
Tapos,
oo.
ang lakas nung percussion. Oh my God. As in, every time I hear that song, it's so perfect. Like, yun yung gusto ko sa hip-hop, sa rap line ng BTS eh. Ang galing nilang magsulat ng mga raps that just ride the beat.
Correct.
And whenever they just do that, and then yung pagka-synchronize ng dalawa, like especially with this song in particular for me, ang ganda ng pagkaka-merge ng rap line and ng vocal line. Hindi siya distinctively
Sobrang
na
agree.
vocal song to
Oo.
or hip-hop. Hindi.
Yes.
Pasok na pasok yung dalawa, yung kapag yung kanta, and even the hip-hop, rap line is kind of singing
Correct.
also in some parts.
Yeah.
Oo.
Ang ganda. Like, I feel like this song should be broken down more
More.
eloquently
Oo.
by somebody who knows what they're talking about. But, oh my God, like, this song, super.
What's that song? Yung favorite natin ng rap line din. Yung nagbaboxing sila. I forget. It has that kind of feel for me. Very strong.
Yeah.
Very in your face.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? And I love that when BTS does that.
Yes.
Ano sila? As in dark era.
Correct.
Ganon. Yung talagang roots nila. And I like nga na, yun nga, parang this album is like going back to the roots. They really went back to their hip-hop. And they did it so well.
So freaking well.
Gusto ko rin sa akin yung sinabi mo kanina na parang distinct na this is rap line but maganda pa rin yung pasok ng vocal. Like in general, in the whole album,
Agree.
merong mga songs na this is the Yoongi song.
Oo.
This is the Hobie song.
Yes.
Oo.
Pero, hindi necessarily dahil siya lang yung kumakanta. Parang mas nafe-feel mo lang yung presence niya. Does that make sense? But everyone's involved.
Correct.
Parang ganun.
Oo.
Like I don't remember kung sino yung 2.0. Pero Aliens kasi is, for me, is Yoongi. And then, yung Hooligan is, at least, visually lang. Parang yun lang yung pumapasok sonically, yun yung tumatatak sa akin. Hooligan is Hobie. Mga ganun ba? And like, Jungkook is, I think like, was it, ano yung sabi natin?
Normal.
Normal. Jungkook is very normal. Diba? Yung mga ganun ba? So, nakakatuwa na it feels extra personal kasi na bibigyan pansin yung either likes or yung skills ng bawat person, pero everyone has like a contribution. Like one of my favorites in Like Animals when Jin does like the siren.
Oo.
Like I love that may ganun siya.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon,
Yeah.
parang
About hooligans lang, like you say that it sounds like Yoongi, but surprise, surprise, it was JK who worked on this
I
song.
know.
Sabi niya sa studio notes.
Hobie yung
Yung
ano
hooligans. Hindi Yoongi.
Hooligan.
Hobie. And it just shows how, because of their solo careers, they were
yeah.
able to explore so much, and then coming together, yung synergy ng dalawa.
Oo.
Correct.
Because
Totoo.
you could, yes, it's very Hobie. But when they said na si JK,
It makes sense too.
diba? Yung ganon. Sobrang
Yeah, yeah.
okay. Very good.
And may certain level of bravery na to it. Kasi parang like, they have so many experiences na and also working with like a lot of other producers, hindi lang yung sa
Yeah.
kanila. So they can have, kahit na sinabi lang hindi nahirapan siya sa English, parang at least they may confidence na in trying to communicate what will work for them.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? And when you said nga earlier na parang, I think it was Pio said na parang it's such a very artistic album. Parang like, it's really about them. That's really how I felt eh. Na parang like, this is about them and their artistry. Like, tanggapin nyo na ito na kami ngayon.
Yeah.
Alam nyo yun?
We're
Wala
gonna
kaming susundan dahil yung hinahanap nyo.
Yes,
Totally.
exactly.
And this is backed
That's
by
the
a lot
statement.
of experience too. Alam mo yun,
True.
they've done their solos. Parang di naman nila pa yung talikuran yung mga personal experiences nila yun, di ba? They incorporate it into their work. My God, imagine hundreds of songs.
Yeah.
They had to sift through that.
Yeah.
Grabe.
How do you filter, diba?
How do you filter?
And I'm sure they work with so many other producers na hindi lang credited kasi hindi napasok sa album.
Correct.
But I can just
Exactly.
imagine that there's so many other greats
In a span
who
of
were
9
involved.
months.
Oo.
Sobrang wild nung 9 months lang
Diba?
to.
Nagbuntis talaga sila.